Let us go for next problem. A truck is moving towards east at a speed of 40 meters per second and turns at right angles moving towards north at a speed of 30 meters per second. Find the change in velocity of the truck. Once again I repeat. A truck is moving towards east at a speed of 40 meters per second and turns at right angles moving towards north at a speed of 30 meters per second. Find the change in velocity of the truck. Right? Here, this is the velocity with which it is moving towards east, and the next it is north. 40, this is 30 meters per second. So, basic method, the method 1, it's very simple method 1 by which just it is extended. This initial velocity is extended in the same direction. Now this is V initial. Yeah. So this is joining from initial to final. A direct line segment is considered, which is delta V bar, change in velocity. Now from this triangle, this is the first vector. Close this one. Okay, close this one. This is the first vector, this is second vector. These two are in the same order. Their addition is in reverse order. Therefore, Vi plus change in velocity is equal to Vf. Then change in velocity is equal to Vf minus Vi. So this is the final standard formula is attained change in velocity. Right? So whenever we consider change in velocity, that is direct line segment is representing the change in velocity, its initial point. Keep in your mind, every time change in velocity, its corresponding direct line segment, we should consider the initial point from the initial velocity. So head is at final velocity. This is the initial one, this is final one. So we take this change in velocity from initial to the final, that is the change in velocity every time. Now, so at this initial point we consider the coordinate system here. So this is east, this is north, this is west, and this is south. Yeah, finally we attained the change in velocity, its magnitude we can find here. So this is a taking change in velocity, its magnitude is considered, then that is root over. Actually angle between these two is 90 degree. See here, 90 degree. Therefore, V initial square plus V final square directly root over. See, initial one is how much? 40 and final 30 meters per second. So 40 square plus 30 square, you will get in find 50 meters per second is the magnitude of change in velocity. Okay? Right. Direction. Suppose if you consider this is angle theta. So angle made by the change in velocity with a west direction. This is towards west. Remove this part. So this is west. If change in velocity making an angle theta with west direction, from this right angle triangle opposite is 30, adjacent is 40. Therefore, tan theta is equal to, so opposite side Vf by Vi, tan theta is equal to Vf 30 by 40. So which gives tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 and theta equal to 37 degree. So tan theta equal to tan inverse 3 by 4, which gives 37 degree with west. Okay? And also it can give the angle alpha with north. If you take this as a triangle, so this and this one both are, see here. Otherwise, this is total 90 degree. 90 degree, from 90 degree, so 37 is subtracted. Alpha value is, alpha is equal to 90 minus 37, which gives 53 degree with north. Of course, here the name is giving finally. Suppose first we go for theta, that is 37 degree. So see here, if change in velocity making an angle theta with west, then in such case, so east-west is taking. So it is making an angle with west. Therefore, we have to consider the axis that west and east is taking as a central line which differentiate the two directions north and south. So east-west is differentiating the south and west. South and west. Why? Because the change in velocity making an angle theta with west. Therefore, east-west is differentiating north-south directions. So, in this north-south directions, change in velocity is either towards north or south. So, it's very clear, it is towards north. Yes, therefore, here the name is giving that change in velocity is 50 meter per second at an angle theta equal to 37 degree north of west. North of west. It is not at all northwest direction. It is north of west. How we are taking north of west? See here, once again logic is, actually it is making an angle theta 37 degree with west direction. So east-west is the directions that east-west will differentiate, dividing north and south. Yes, north-south in which, so change in velocity is towards north or towards south. So from the diagram it is towards north. Yes, decide first name, give name starts from north. North of west, because it is actually making an angle with west direction. Therefore, north of west. And similarly, suppose alpha is equal to 53 degree. Yes, this is also correct answer. We can also give its answer like this. So, delta V is equal to 50 meter per second and alpha equal to 53 degree. Now 53 degree. Now it is making an angle with north direction. Now north-south is dividing or differentiating east-west directions. So north-south differentiating, so west and east directions. Okay. Now in which, towards which direction the change in velocity is presented? So towards west. Therefore west of, actually it is making an angle with north. West of north. This is west of north. West of north. So it's very clear. Our logic is, so logic way, no need to see every time like this. Suppose if change in velocity making an angle west, so priority giving another direction. So north of west. If angle is made by change in velocity with north direction, so don't take this name first. So other direction, west of north. Priority giving to west initially, then go for north. West of north, if it is making an angle with north direction, 53 degree. Therefore in this case, so change in velocity will be 50 meter per second and alpha 53 degree west of north. 53 degree with north, therefore name, while giving the name, priority goes to west. West of north. Suppose if theta equal to 37 degree, now it is making an angle 37 degree with west, priority goes to north while giving name, that is north of west. North of west. So like this we can decide the direction of change in velocity. Same problem. So let us go for second method. So this is vector method. See here. So this is a truck is moving towards east, that is with 40 meter per second, and turns at right angles and moving towards north with 30 meter per second. Yeah, directions are shown: east, north, south, west. It is I cap, j cap, minus I, minus j cap, right? So here it is moving towards east. So don't think of this physically shown on negative x-axis, that is minus I cap. Don't take this is 40 into minus I cap minus 40i. It is wrong. Actually, its direction we have to take into account. It is towards or along positive x-axis. It is towards positive x-axis. That is eastward direction. Therefore, we consider I cap. Don't think of physically we shown on negative x-axis, that is minus I cap. We consider minus 40 I cap. This is wrong. Physically shown here on this axis, but actually it is moving towards this direction. Therefore, I cap. Vi is 40 I cap. V final is 30j. Okay, northward. Change in velocity. Vf minus Vi. So that is 30j minus 40i. So finally, change in velocity minus 40i plus 30g. Yes. So based on this vector, so in which quadrant this change in velocity will be presented? We can see that. We can locate that. Okay. We can take that change in velocity in which quadrant? Directly taking this coordinate system. Right? West, east, north, south. Okay, right, this is minus I, j, minus j, right? So this is a negative, I is a negative, j is positive, very clear. I is a negative, j is positive. I negative, j positive. It is in second quadrant. Yeah, this is change in velocity. Yeah. What is change in velocity magnitude? Let us find its magnitude mod root over 40 square plus 30 square, which gives 50 meter per second. Yeah, this is 50 meter per second. So if you take a normal line over here, right angle triangle, so this direction, so along positive y-axis, which is known as north direction, along north it is 40 meter per second, sorry 30 meter per second given. So here 30 meter per second. So it is parallel, therefore 30, and this is 40. So don't take negative sign here. Already negative and positive, based on this sign convention, we decided that comes in second quadrant. Therefore this is angle theta. Yes, tan theta is equal to, so here y component by x component, that is 30 by 40. Don't take here again negative sign. Why? Because of negative and positive signs we decided that in the second quadrant. Therefore these two gets cancelled. Theta equal to 3 by 4, tan theta equal to 3 by 4 means 37 degree. So this is 37 degree. Again the name is giving for it. So which makes an angle 37 degree with west. Therefore, east-west is the line which differentiate north and south. Which differentiate north and south. And the change in velocity towards north. Okay, south and north, these two are differentiated by east-west. Why we are taking east-west as a reference which differentiating north and south? Here, the change in velocity, that is making an angle theta 37 degree with west. So the change in velocity which is making angle with a line, that line is taking as a reference to differentiate other two directions. Here it is theta with west. Therefore east-west is taken as a reference which differentiating north and south. So north and south, but change in velocity towards north. Therefore name is giving first goes to north. North of, actually it is making an angle theta with west. North of west. Therefore, so velocity equal to 50 meter per second. Theta equal to 37 degree. North of west. North of west. Or this is 37 and remaining angle is 53 degree. We can also give one more option. That is also correct. Here 50 meter per second. Alpha is equal to 53 degree, which is making angle with north. Therefore north south as a reference which differentiate two more directions, that is east and west. East, west, these two are separated by north, south. Why we are taking north, south as a reference? The change in velocity, which is making an angle alpha with north. Therefore, this line is taken as a reference. With reference to this line, so we are differentiating east and west. And out of these two, change in velocity towards which side? That is west side. Therefore, name is giving first west of north. Therefore, here it is west of north. Okay? Don't take north west, west north, north west direction. North west. So that will comes whenever angle is making exactly 45 degree. So that with west direction and with north angle is bisecting 45 degree. In such case we consider northwest direction, but it is not dividing equally. This is 37 degree with west and 53 degree with north. Therefore, we should not take northwest name or northwest direction. It is giving north of west. So 53 degree west of north. This is the correct representation of change in velocity, its proper direction. Okay. Hello students, this is MS Ram. Welcome to Alphos e-learning. So let us go for next problem. A car is traveling towards south at a speed of 20 km per hour. After 2 seconds, it is traveling towards west at a speed of 20√3 km per hour. Find the acceleration of the car with proper direction. Yes? So, given that the directions of the speeds of the car clearly mentioned there, so accordingly we go for the diagram, right? So, car is moving towards south at a speed of 20 km per hour. Yeah. This is east, north, south, west. So if the beginning the car is traveling towards south at a speed of 20 km per hour. Yeah, towards south. This is say initial velocity 20 km per hour speed. After 2 seconds, it is traveling towards west at a speed of 20√3 km per hour. Traveling towards west. Traveling towards west. Yeah, this is west direction. So, which is final velocity? How much? 20√3 km per hour given. Yes. Now we consider the unit vectors along positive direction of x-axis, that is towards east. So along which unit vector is I cap, and this is j cap, and this is minus I cap, and this is minus j cap. So let us develop the vector form of these corresponding velocities. Yes, initial velocity is equal to, so 20 minus j cap minus 20 j cap, because j cap is negative along negative y direction, which is giving the direction of south. Okay, next this is towards west. These two are parallel. Actually these two are parallel. Therefore along this direction we can imagine minus I cap here. Therefore velocity final, which is equal to, so minus 20√3 I cap. As we know the method, that change in velocity fundamental formula, that delta V is equal to V final minus V initial. Yes, delta V is equal to V final is minus 20√3 I cap. Yes, minus 20√3 I cap minus of and again minus of minus 20. So this is j cap, right? Change in velocity is equal to By simplifying this, minus 20 root 3 I minus or minus plus 20 j. 20 j cap. See once again, final velocity minus initial velocity. So initial velocity is so developed in terms vectors, that is minus 20 j. Yeah, final velocity is it is towards west, which is along negative x direction. Therefore minus I cap. Final velocity minus 20 root 3 I cap. Then according to fundamental formula, we substituted these two values in this formula and simplified, you will get. So this is the change in velocity in vector form. Now its magnitude, we can find its magnitude. See, so this is the velocity in terms vectors. Then magnitude of this change in velocity is giving that. So it's 20 root 3 whole square plus 20 square. Here you will get, this is delta V is equal to, so 400 1200, this is 1200 plus this is 400, as a whole it is 1600, so that is 40 km per hour. This is change in velocity, that in magnitude. Yeah. So in vector form, based on this, we can make a proper diagram to decide its direction. Change in velocity in which direction, we have to represent that. That is very comfortable when you go through the vector method and vector form. Finally, we obtain the change in velocity. Taking the diagram, proper diagram, this one. So this is, so east direction, that is I cap. This is j cap. North, and this is west minus I cap, and this is south minus j cap. Right? Here, this is change in velocity. I is a negative, j cap is positive, I cap negative. Yeah, I cap negative, j cap positive. Therefore, change in velocity, that will be in second quadrant. This is change in velocity delta V. And magnitude itself is delta V is equal to 40 km per hour. Yes. So if you take the normal line over here, you will get a triangle. Now, so this is x component. Don't take negative sign again. Because of negative here and positive signs, you decided that the change in velocity will be in the second quadrant. Once you decide based on the sign convention, and no need to go for again signs, just you take the magnitude. Here this is 20 root 3 and opposite side j component, that is 20. Yes, let us find theta here. Yeah, theta is how much? And taking tan theta, see here tan theta is equal to, so opposite side 20, adjacent side 20 root 3. 20 by 20 root 3 gets cancelled. 1 by root 3, theta equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. Here it is 30 degree. Yes. So this is making an angle 30 degree with a west. Therefore, east-west direction is as a reference, taken as reference. With reference to this one, and north and south directions are differentiated clearly by this east-west, because the change in velocity which is making an angle 30 degree with the west. Therefore, as a whole, east-west line means the change in velocity which is making certain angle with any direction, that line is taken as a reference which differentiate two more directions, that is north and south. Yes. So this is a line which differentiate north and south, and this north and south out of two directions, towards which side the change in velocity is presented, that is towards north. Therefore, here final answer we are giving, answer is change in velocity, that is 40 km per hour, change in velocity 40 km per hour, and with angle theta equal to 30 degree. Yes. So whenever we are taking the reference line, that is east-west line as a reference which differentiate north and south. Yeah. North and south, towards which side the change in velocity is presented. Change in velocity is located in which side? That is towards north. Therefore, north of, yeah, exactly it is making an angle with which direction? West direction. Therefore, it is making an angle theta with a west. Therefore, north of west at 30 degree angle. Okay. So, this is a way to decide the direction. So, change in velocity will be 40 km per hour at theta equal to 30 degree north of west. North of west. One more logic was given earlier, that if change in velocity making an angle with one particular direction and we have to give the priority goes to the other side while giving its name. Suppose it is making an angle 30 degree with west. So we have to give the priority first to north. North of, next comes to west. North of west. Okay, this is the logic. Suppose this is 60 degree, remaining alpha, say it is 60 degree remaining one. Alpha equal to 60 because it is 30 degree. Now we can also give the answer that 40 km per hour, alpha is equal to 60 degree. Then name is. So with this direction, so according to the concept, whenever it is making an angle theta with north, south taken as a reference line which differentiate the two more directions, that is east and west. East and west, these are differentiated by north, south because the change in velocity making an angle 60 degree with north. Therefore, so we are taking this east and west, these two are differentiated by north and south. Okay. The change in velocity towards which side? Towards west. Yeah. Exactly making an angle with north. Therefore, the name is west of north. So, west of north. So, we will give the answer like this or like this. But actually, he is asking that find the acceleration of the car with proper direction. Yeah, acceleration is also having the same direction as that of the change in velocity. There is no difference at all. But here, the acceleration can be obtained simply by taking acceleration equal to change in velocity by time. Time is mentioned over here 2 seconds. Therefore, A is equal to 40 by 2, which gives 20. So, acceleration 20 km per hour square. Kilometer per hour square. That is the acceleration. Again, acceleration will have the direction, the 30 degree north of west and 60 degree west of north. So, this is the way to find the change in velocity and also acceleration of the car. Let us go for next problem. A car is traveling towards west at a speed of 4 meters per second and traveling at a speed 4√2 meters per second southwest direction. So very clear, southwest direction. Find the change in velocity of the car. Once again, a car is traveling towards west at a speed of 4 meters per second and traveling at a speed of 4√2 meters per second southwest direction. Find the change in velocity of the car. Here, first of all, so it is moving towards west. Here, this is initial velocity. V initial is equal to 4 meters per second. Yes. The next it is moving towards which direction? Next it is moving towards southwest direction. Southwest, when we consider this as north and this is south. Yeah, south, this is west. See, southwest direction. Southwest, this is southwest direction. exactly 45 degree here and 45 degree. Once a point is mentioned southwest, what does it mean? South and west both will have the same share in it, means the velocity which makes an angle 45 degree with south and also with same angle with west. Same angle with west, 45 and 45. Therefore, this is a final velocity V final. So, this is given how much? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 meter per second. Right? So, resolve this. First, initially, this is moving towards west. Of course, it is shown on the east line, that is on positive x-axis. But actually, it is moving towards west. Therefore, it is moving towards negative x direction. Definitely, we consider this is minus I cap. Therefore, 4 into minus I cap. So, it is the initial velocity minus 4 I cap. Right? So, next one is, it is traveling at a speed 4 root 2 meter per second. Southwest direction. Southwest. Yes, 45 and 45. Resolve it. Final velocity. So, this is 4 root 2 cos 45. So, 4 root 2 into 4 root 2 into 1 by root 2, which gives 4. So, this side also again 4 root 2 sin 45, again it is giving 4 root 2 sin 45, which gives only 4. Therefore, final velocity V final is equal to, in vector form, it is negative direction. Therefore, minus j and this is minus I. Therefore, here it is minus 4I minus 4j. This is final velocity. And initial velocity in vector form clearly given, and final velocity that in vector form is given. Then change in velocity equal to V final minus V initial. This is the fundamental formula, basic formula, that equal to final velocity minus 4I minus 4j minus of minus 4I. So this is change in velocity. So which is equal to minus 4I minus 4j minus or minus plus 4I. So these two gets cancelled. Then change in velocity, which is equal to minus 4j. So its magnitude is considered. Its magnitude delta V is equal to 4 meter per second magnitude. Simple. 4 meter per second. Towards which direction is very clear. Minus 4j means it is 4 into minus j. Minus j in which direction? So that is towards south. So resultant direction, that is change in velocity, will be towards south. So that is the resultant direction, or that is the change in velocity having the direction which is towards south. Okay. So diagram is clear. So this is eastward, westward, and this is southwest. Suppose this is southwest direction, and as a result it is giving change in velocity will be in this direction, that is minus 4. This is change in velocity of the car. So car is change in velocity will be limited to southward, that is vertically downward, that is minus j. So this is a final answer. So very simple question, right? Next problem. A bike is moving in a direction 30 degree east of south with a speed of 2 meter per second, and then traveling in another direction 30 degree west of south. Find change in velocity with proper direction. Once again, I repeat. A bike is moving in a direction 30 degree east of south with a speed of 2 meter per second, and then traveling in a direction in another direction 30 degree west of south. Find the change in velocity with proper direction. Yeah, let us go for a diagram. This is east, north, west. This is south. Right? So initially the point mentioned, the bike is moving in a direction 30 degree east of south. 30 degree east of south means degree east of south. So we extended this. Yeah. This is initial velocity. This is the initial velocity of the bike. This is initial velocity. How much? 2 meters per second. And its direction clearly mentioned that 30 degree east of south. 30 degree east of south means this is 30 degree. Yes. Now resolve this one. So this is 2 sin 30, which gives how much? 2 into 1 by 2, which gives 1 meter per second towards east, and towards south resolved 2 cos 30, which gives 2 into root 3 by 2, which gives root 3 meter per second towards south. That in vector form, we can write its initial velocity, that in vector form, so which is V initial is equal to, right, this is 1I and this one is minus j, this is I cap, this is j cap, this is minus I cap, right? So this is 1 I cap. So here it is root 3, calculated root 3 towards south, but minus j here, minus root 3 j. This is the initial velocity. And go for another one. So far we completed the first velocity, that is 30 degrees of south. So that is the direction along which the bike is moving with this speed. And based on that, so it's in vector form, we developed that velocity, initial velocity of the bike. And then traveling in another direction 30 degree west of south. Yeah, 30 degree west of south. West of south, 30 degree. This is 30 degree west of south. This is final velocity. How much this? Final velocity. Final velocity is how much? 30 degree west of south. So it is moving with somewhere it is data was missed. We have to develop that data with what velocity is moving. So towards this direction, we have to take that velocity, that 4 meter per second exactly. So it is 4 meter per second. See here. So and then traveling in another direction 30 degree west of south with a velocity, with a velocity 4 meter per second. Okay, so you have to correct this question. 30 degree west of south with a velocity 4 meter per second. Then find the change in velocity. Find the change in velocity with proper direction. Okay. Right. It's correct. Sorry, the data was missed there. The final velocity 4 meter per second. Right. Now this is given clearly 30 degree west of south. 30 degree west of south. This is 30 degree. Now resolve this one. So toward this side 4 sine 30 which gives 2 meter per second. This side 4 cos 30 which gives 4 into root 3 by 2 root 3 this side. Therefore final velocity equal to, see this is 2 meter per second and minus I cap minus 2 I cap, and this is towards south 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 j cap over. Two velocities are developed, then change in velocity delta V is equal to V final minus V initial, right? So change in velocity, that is V final is minus 2I minus 2 root 3 j minus I minus or minus plus root 3 j. So very clear. So final velocity minus 2I minus 2 root 3 j. Yes, this is I minus root 3 j minus I minus or minus plus root 3 j cap. Therefore change in velocity which equal to, so this is minus 3I and this one is minus root 3 j. So this is change in velocity in vector form. Clear. Then magnitude, its magnitude is delta V mod magnitude, so 3 square plus root 3 whole square, which gives us 9 plus 3 as a whole, it is 12 root 12, which is 2 root 3 meter per second. This is the magnitude. Then what is its direction? Yeah, based on this vector form, change in velocity very clear, then we can decide its direction. Yeah, go for again coordinate system. So this is east, I cap, north, j cap, west, minus I cap, south, minus j cap. Here I is negative, j is negative, I negative, j negative. Therefore I and j both are negative. That comes in third quadrant. Yeah, this is change in velocity. Change in velocity delta V, right? So when we consider the normal on the x-axis, this is theta, opposite side y component root 3 and x component, this is 3. Now tan theta. So go for tan theta here. The tan theta is equal to opposite side root 3 by adjacent 3. Root 3 by 3. This gives 1 by root 3. Theta equal to 30 degree. 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Yeah, very simple. Its direction is, so that is 30 degree with west. Therefore south of west direction. South of west. Therefore answer is, final answer is, see here, final answer. So change in velocity how much? Magnitude 2 root 3 meter per second at theta equal to 30 degree south of west direction. Or we can also give its answer, change in velocity 2 root 3 meter per second. So alpha is equal, see this is 30, this is alpha, 60 degree remaining, 60 degree west of south. Yeah, this is 60 degree west of south. This is your answer. Either we can give its direction, so south of west, 30 degree south of west, or 60 degree west of south, and magnitude is 2 root 3 meter per second. So very interesting this one. because the initial velocity that is not in one particular direction, that is clearly given east of south, and final velocity that is 4 meter per second, that is given west of south. West of south. Here east of south, here west of south. So based on this, how we can find? It's a very simple. When you go through the vector method, it is very comfortable. So definitely without any mistake you can attain the proper answer. Okay.